Hi, Teacher Rachel here. Welcome to part 3 of the Confusing Words Show. Today's confusing words are excited and exciting. Excited and exciting are adjectives. Do you remember what adjectives are? That's right. Adjectives are words that describe nouns. A noun is a person, place, or thing. Excited and exciting do not mean the same thing, and sometimes people confuse them when they talk and they make mistakes. So I'm going to tell you the difference between these two words so that you don't make the same mistake. Excited is a feeling people or animals have when they feel happy and full of energy about something. I feel excited because today is my birthday. They felt excited when their team scored a goal. Our dog gets so excited when we come home. He goes crazy. Exciting is when a person or thing makes other people or animals feel excited. The roller coaster ride is so exciting. I bought my cat an exciting new toy. And people can be exciting. The new teacher is so exciting. The kids feel excited to go to school because they love his class. In this example, the teacher is exciting, and the kids feel excited to go to his class because it's so much fun. Complete the exercises below where we practice using the words excited and exciting. Can you make some sentences of your own using these two words? I hope this was helpful. See you next time.